ain't gonna front, guys. It took me a while to do this review because I felt like when it came to wheat, the Nike Dunk regular lows was killing this SB. Who could forget the Currys? I gotta pick those up. Even it was a woman dunk with some wheat in it that I liked a little better than these in the pictures. And believe it or not, it was a Nike SB mid that was a little better than these in picture. But now that I got these in hand, super soft. Hit the B-roll. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And I feel like this year won't end. I was trying to prep up and get my top 10 or top 5 sneakers of the year, and we keep getting news. Some Soulfly 8s are coming. The Powerpuff Girls are coming. I should not be this hype about a Powerpuff Girl sneaker, but a whole bunch of more sneakers are coming before I could rally that up. But until then, the Nike SB Wheat. Now, on paper or in pictures, it looks just like a wheat sneaker with some caramel mocha hits on it. The material is super dope, guys. This sneaker's so soft, guys. It's softer than some socks. I'm not gonna lie, man. You know we don't do too much talking over here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we get the white and chrome box. Sometimes we get the purple box. No one really knows what's the difference or why this happens, but you get the purple nice box for this Nike SB caramel look. And it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Flake, 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 Baroque. I always had a problem with that word. Baroque brown. When you flip open the lid, all you get is the tree paper. I call it tree bark. No one's told me what this means. But you know the SB design paper that you get in almost every SB. And you get a sticker, the same sticker that came in the candy corn joints, like a glow-in-the-dark Nike SB sticker. I like that they're getting on a supreme level. And let's start with the right shirt. Here's a 360 view of the mocha, wheat, baroque brown joints, man. And like I told you, on paper, in hand, total different thing. So let's start with this toe box. You get like a Travis Scott Cacti 6 look, but not that high braids, but that's the material it's given, but super soft. Look how, it's so soft it looks like it's wet. Like my hand is just sinking into the toe box, man. Soft material, guys. The stitching is like a golden caramel, so you can see it some places you can't. But the material, guys, just look at it. Gives you that dark to light look on the UNBOX suede. The bottom, this dark brown, chocolate brown, just brings it all into me. I feel like if that was black, this sneaker would not be this dope. That dark brown just gives it that candy bar flavor, man. Under that brown is your gum bottom. And you can't name too many sneakers that you do not like with a gum bottom. Gum bottom is like the dopest, and it's like a cheat code. The swoosh, in the background of the swoosh is no sandwich. Usually we got like white back there or different color. Everything is that same wheat color, guys. But the swoosh do stand out more as it's more of a light material. It's not a braise like the back or the rest of the sneaker. It's just a fine swoosh. That's why you can see it on top of the same color in material. Come to the back, you get that Nike logo and a nice caramel to light chocolate look. I like it. Everything stitched in together the same here. Come to the inside of the sneaker, same as the outside, nothing's changed. You just get more of that wheat, chocolate, caramel hits. Go to the toe box here. Nike SB Pro Skate, you know, we seen that all the time. The mesh tongue I really like, man, because it gives it, same color, but gives it a different texture, I believe, in the sneaker. You get your fat Nike SB tongue, of course. The shoelaces is a little bit darker, more of like a caramel swirl look. So it really pops and bring it out. I don't think you get any other shoelaces, kind of my knock on the sneaker, but $110 price tag, you can't go wrong. As y'all can see, the difference in the laces in the sneaker. Got that same color as the tongue, actually. A darker chocolate or a darker wheat. Come to the inside. The inside is also in that caramel flavor. It reads Nike SB Zoom Air. Let's get a little closer. You can see the Zoom Air there. The Zoom Air technology. All SBs have this. And under the inside, you have the technology in there. And the cushion here for your Achilles and ankle. You know, make skateboarding better. So the gum bottom is all at the bottom. It's not just peeking out on you on the outside. It's all on the bottom. And then the inside, you got a Nike SB logo straight in the middle. That was the left. This is the right. And you do get shoelaces, guys. You get like a more chocolate, darker brown. So you got wheat, like light coffee. It comes in like the mid regular coffee. And then you get that dark chocolate right here that you can interchange it with. Me personally, I like this look. I like the golden harvest wheat look. But I can see why someone go darker brown, especially if they're into brown. As far as the right side, nothing's changed. Everything's the same, equals out with the left. And these are the wheats, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. They restocked on the sneakers app. It was a day that I was trying to get another sneaker, but these pop. I can't remember, but $115, I have nothing to complain about, guys. If you're trying to get this sneaker third party, GOAT had these for roughly $130 to $150, depending on size. Still not a bad price. And I think StockX was in that same realm too. But with StockX, once you get to that fourth page and you're about to check out, you at $1 bazillion. I still don't understand that. I remember the times with StockX, you didn't even have to pay tax, but that was history, man. That's a long time ago. As far as these wheat joints, man, I like them, but again, I just don't like a SB without a story. And with that being said, in my review of these, I said this was an SB without a story, and that's why they didn't really have no hype, but they do have a Japan booklet or something. So each one is numbered. As you can see right here in this one, I got number 181. So these did have a story. These came out in 2020, the pandemic year, and people went crazy over these. I remember, but people were just going crazy over SBs 2020. So I think that's what it was. And again, them Curry Nike Dunks, those were a sneaker, man. I have to get those in my collection, man, especially while they low. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Again, under $150 if you're trying to get in that Nike SB game and you don't want to pay the ridiculous prices on some of these Doritos and things of that nature. This is the perfect sneaker to just jump in. These also, and also the Mystic Red ones. Those are ones you can get for the low. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. The April review is coming. They're here. It's coming. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.